Welcome to Bike Lab. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 KTM 350 EXC-F, a bike that continues to define the balance between agility and power in the Enduro segment. Known for its championship-winning pedigree and do-it-all nature, the 350 EXC-F returns with smart updates that sharpen its performance and rideability. For those seeking a four-stroke that combines lightweight handling with robust torque, this 2026 model deserves serious attention. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 KTM 350 EXC-F is its compact 349.7 cubic centimeters DOHC single-cylinder engine. KTM has managed to squeeze even more efficiency and performance from this high-revving mill. It produces smooth, linear power across the rev range, offering the responsiveness of a 250 with the pulling power of a 450. Thanks to updates in the combustion chamber design and optimized valve timing, throttle response is crisp and immediate. A new lightweight exhaust system not only helps reduce overall weight but also enhances torque in the low to mid revs. Mated to a 6-speed Pankel transmission and a refined hydraulic clutch, shifting is effortless, a crucial feature for technical trails or long enduro races. Chassis and suspension. The 2026 model continues to use the hydroformed chromoly steel frame KTM is known for, but it now incorporates subtle stiffness optimizations for more rider feedback without compromising stability. The frame works in harmony with the WP Sploor suspension setup, a 48mm fork up front and a fully adjustable rear shock. Revised valving in the suspension offers a more planted feel on rocky terrain, improved resistance to bottoming, and better high-speed handling. Whether you're riding in deep sand, technical climbs, or open forest trails, the suspension adapts confidently to every challenge. Ergonomics and handling. One of the standout features of the 2026 KTM 350 EXC-F is its razor-sharp ergonomics. With a lower seat height, narrower bodywork, and refined contact points, the rider triangle is more comfortable and balanced than ever. The bike feels extremely nimble and light, making tight single-track or quick direction changes a breeze. The slim 8.5-liter fuel tank integrates seamlessly into the bodywork, and a new seat compound improves comfort during long rides. The upgraded ODI grips and thinner plastics enhance overall control, allowing you to ride longer with less fatigue. Electronics and features. KTM equips the 350 EXC-F with a selection of modern rider aids designed to elevate the off-road experience. This year, it comes standard with selectable engine maps and traction control, both easily toggled via a handlebar-mounted switch. The traction control system is particularly helpful when conditions get slippery, providing just the right intervention without stifling rider input. A new off-road-ready LCD instrument panel displays speed, gear position, and maintenance reminders. Full LED lighting, including a more powerful front headlight, ensures visibility even in night stages or shaded woods. And for those who ride across borders, the 2026 model remains street legal in most markets. Brakes, wheels, and tires. Stopping power is delivered by high-performance Brembo calipers gripping wave discs, which provide strong and consistent braking in all conditions. The lightweight giant rims are wrapped in Metzeler 6 Days Extreme tires, offering excellent grip across a wide variety of terrain types. The aluminum rear sprocket and CNC machine triple clamps add to the bike's race-focused character, shedding grams without compromising durability. Maintenance and durability. The 350 EXC-F continues KTM's tradition of easy serviceability. Toolless air filter access, reinforced radiators with built-in fans, and an upgraded cooling system help keep the engine running optimally, even in harsh conditions. Chain guides, skid plates, and frame guards now come standard, ensuring longer lifespan for critical components. KTM has also enhanced component durability, with improved coatings on engine internals and more robust electrical connectors to withstand water crossings and mud-heavy rides. Final thoughts: ready to race, ready to ride. The 2026 KTM 350 EXC-F remains one of the most versatile and potent bikes in KTM's Enduro lineup. It's light enough to dance through tight trails, yet powerful enough to dominate in open terrain. With refinements in performance, electronics, and rider ergonomics, KTM continues to set the bar high for what a premium enduro machine should be. Whether you're a weekend trail rider or a hard enduro competitor, the 350 EXC-F offers the performance, durability, and confidence needed to tackle anything in your path. This has been Bike Lab. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the 2026 KTM 350 EXC-F. Stay dirty, ride smart, and we'll see you on the trails.